Okay guys, so we only use the best tooling here at Resin Wood Tables. This is my Crystal crack, and I'm about to use my TS75 crack saw. This is the ultimate best. Absolutely ultimate. I mean, if you're serious about doing woodwork and stuff, you just can't miss the lay. Get ready to mark them out, but first up we've got to go and do another table and get that set up first.
Paul unleashing his creative spirit.
But do you want to be?
Right out of go juice, mate.
Beautiful.
And there's something Paul prepared earlier, smoking away.
Yeah, smoking maybe. Now we can start to move on. Just going to plane this piece down. I think it's got a lot of character and might use it for an island in the love table. Rightio, so it's going to give the side a tickle. We'll get that side in and then crack on with the other side. Furby. Okay guys, it's a big mould, we've got a lot to get through. Many thanks to Scott. Many thanks brother for coming and giving me a hand. Just about to seal cut up this timber for the lava table and get the pieces in place. And then we'll look at doing the first 40 odd kilo pour, 40 litre pour. Got to get the old rubbers on. I tell you, it's been a hard day. Well, it's been a hard day for an old man. But once you get these tables done, then we've got 2 more big ones, like really big. And then I'm going to take a break. I need a break. So first of all, I'm just going to get on the bottom now. Bottom and sides. Okay guys, so Scott is in the house. Scott's come down to help me mutilate some beautiful swamp remu.
I was an innocent bystander in the whole situation.
And set fire to it. Run out of gas. I can't believe it. Anyway, we run out of gas. Gotta go try to get some more gas and burn all this timber because this is going to be the lava table. What we've done is just put some cut holes, shape the top, put some cut holes on the underside, so it's only going to let a certain amount of light through in places that we want the light to go. Rightio. That completes that part of my puzzle. That's really cool, that. If I was just to leave this for a couple of minutes, it would mostly etch-a-thing on me. Pretty happy with that. Huge